So over the past couple of days, I've been trying out Derive AI's option screener. What I've recently discovered is this day trade options picks fire. Now don't expect anything too crazy, but in this video, I'm going to show you my findings. I'm going to show you what I did to come to the conclusions I came to, show you the trades that I picked out from the screener to actually look at and track. And then I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. That way we can all come to a conclusion together. Is Derive AI legit for day trades? It for sure has been the past couple of days for me. All right, so here we are. We are looking at Derive AI. If you are not familiar, this is the Derive AI platform. If you have not tried out Derive AI, be sure to sign up for free using deriveai.co/Matthew. And when I say free, you're going to be limited, but there's still going to be a lot you're going to be able to do. So try it out for free using that link. Now getting back into it, what we're going to be focusing on in this video is going to be the screener. If we are on a desktop, that is going to be right here on the left where it says screener. I'm just going to click on screener. And as we look through the screener, we can see there are different, as you scroll through, there are different trades here. You can filter through what kind of trades. This is the all filter. If I want to look for bullish, we can look for bullish, bearish trades. Position, that's going to take, these trades are expected to take longer. Swing trades, usually going to take longer than a day, but shorter than a position trade. Day trade, in and out the same day. Sometimes even within a day trade, you can't necessarily look for them, but they're also scalps. So just to show you an example, this Microsoft trade right here, this is a day trade. Here, let me go over. Yeah, so that Microsoft was a day trade, and you can see right here on QQQ, it's a scalp. So there are, I believe, 5 types of trades, or 4, like position, swing, day trade, and scalp. So yeah, there are 4 different lengths of trades this will put out. And actually, even if you want to go to optimizer, they have leaps as well, but that's a different video for a different day. All right, so what we're going to focus on in this video, the claim that I am making is, Derive AI, hey, they're nice when it comes to the day trades. I'll admit there was a point in time when I was a little uneasy about taking day trades on Derive, but yeah, now coming to the day trade tab, hey, we got a day trade. I didn't try this one. I didn't try this one. But when it comes to a trade, this is how it's presented to you. You get all this information. All right, so looking here, let's say I wanted to take this trade that was presented to me on Microsoft. We take a look, you can see the price Microsoft was trading at whenever this optimization was made. We can see how long ago it was. This one was 4 hours ago. So of course I'm not going to take this trade right now because Microsoft is probably at a completely different price. And we can also see the probability of the target occurring. And there's even a rating given. So right here we can see the rating is superb, and superb is actually, I believe, the highest rating they give on here. There's like good, excellent, superb. Those are going to be the good ones. And then there's some below that. I'm not too familiar with them because I usually just look over them. But going on, say I want to take this trade. I can see this trade I can see that it's a put that expires March 21st. Once again, I realize this is intended to be a day trade. The last price that it was trading for whenever they sent this out was $1.59 per share. And now let's say I want to know where I might consider putting my stop loss and where I should consider taking profit. All right, so what I'm going to do is right here on the target profitability, am I cool with an 18% chance that I'm going to lose this? Because every time you take a trade, there is a chance you'll lose. So how you look at this is you click on it, you go on, you look at the risk level. You can see the risk is high. It's going to be high with most options, especially day trades. It's going to be really high. Come over, look at the Greeks. If you're not familiar with the Greeks, be sure to check out the video I have linked above right here, or I'll have it down below in the description. But yeah, check out the Greeks. Make sure you're cool with it. And then if you're cool with all that, you like the probability and whatnot, there's a stop loss here for you as well as a take profit. So yeah, the entry was at 159. Stop loss is down 15% at 135. Take profit up 30% at 207. So that is essentially how you look at and read these different options and these different opportunities. Going on from here, let's pretend I wanted to maybe try to use more or less money. Actually, what you can do is if you scroll down a little bit more, you actually also have the option to get more strikes and expirations. So if I'm to click on that, I can stratify how I want to. So let's say I wanted to spend a little bit more money for something a little bit closer to the money. Now maybe I'm willing to spend 500. Now let's go next. And yeah, I'm just gonna come and accept the conditions and I'm gonna hit complete. So when it comes to those conditions, maybe look a little more than I just did. But what I'm just trying to show you is there are other options too. You don't just have to pick just what is exactly on the screener, but understand that also sometimes it takes a little bit for the screener. And when it comes down to it, let's see what we got. So we got 3 different puts so we got 2 that are okay. And then I like these 2 have 93% target probability. So this one right here, say I wanted to, this one was 337, stop loss is 286, take profit is 438. So it's still 30%, but just more money. Let's look at this one up here, 1530. And yeah, so you see there are different options. Now I want to take this time to show you my findings over the last couple days. All right, so right here, what we're looking at, this is a combination of today and yesterday. These are all trades that I either took myself or threw on a watch list and watched closely to see what would have happened, which hit first, whether it was a take profit or the stop loss, and the different position type. What I've noticed is, so right here we have a total of 8 trades. We took 3 L's and 5 W's. And what I noticed about the W's, what I noticed about the wins is the majority of them are day trades. And what else I noticed about the day trade is that every single one of them was a win. So right here, we got a SPY put, stop loss 183, take profit 366. It was a win, day trade. We got a McDonald's put 295, another win. This one was a swing trade. All right, we got a Palantir put, $80 Palantir put, stop loss 131, take profit 263, another day trade. All right, we took our first L over here with the Intel put. We took another L with the SMCI put. Both of those were swings. And then these were today. We got a Meta 535 put that expires on the 31st. Stop loss was 115 and the take profit was 176. Took another W on that. Of course, it was a day trade. And then same thing with Microsoft. This one was a watch list trade. I actually took the Meta, grabbed a couple contracts on it. And yeah, once again, we took a W on the Microsoft day trade. And then the last one I took today, this one was actually a scalp. It was really cheap, so I feel like that was part of the issue, and it also expired the next trading day. But took a QQQ put that expires pretty much the next trading day. I think paid about 30, like maybe 33, 34 for it. Stop loss was 26, take profit was 52. And we took an L on that. It hit 26. Took some time to hit 26, but yeah, that one was, it didn't play out. And I think that one had like a lower probability as well. But yeah, this was a scalp. Even though the scalps are short time frames, they don't do as well as the day trades either. So, or this one didn't do as well as the day trade. So yeah, this is definitely something that I need to run more tries on. But I wanted to share this to you and show this to you so we can get more eyeballs on it, and selfishly so I can get a little bit more data about this too. And because of that, I want to quickly show you how I've been tracking these trades. All right, so if you are not familiar with this, is the options watch list on Robinhood. And pretty much the way this works is here. First off, you can see here looking at this Apple call, I can see that this Apple call expires today, and I can see the call is pretty much worthless. If we actually take a look at this call, we can see that I added this call. We can actually see that I added this call March 13th, which is actually yesterday. So the price that Apple was trading at when I added this call to the watch list was $1.95 per share. But now I can see that if I was actually holding this contract and I hadn't taken profits or taken a loss on this yet, and I was still holding it, overall I'd be down 91%. And on the day I would be down 81% for $70. So this is what I like to do to see things theoretically. If you have Robinhood, if you have the app, let me show you how it is that you add something to the watch list. So let's just pick a random trade. Let's look at AMD or SMCI. We'll just look at SMCI. And what we're going to do is come to trade options. We're going to pick a strike price, and let's say I wanted to grab a put and I wanted to see, oh, what would happen? So let's say I wanted this $39 put right here. So if I want if I want to see what, if I wanted to practice if I wanted to practice trade, you can see right here I can add it to the watch list. And what's going to happen is it's going to add it at this mark price right here. So I'm going to hit add to watch list. Now I'm going to click on view watch list down here. That's going to send me to the watch list, and I'm going to go to that SMCI put I went to. And now I can see the SMCI put. So you can see the day I added right here. I can see the cost. And as the price of the contract changes, I can see my total return. So from when I entered, I'm down on this contract $2. All right, so not the best feeling, but hey, it's good to know it works. And that's how you do that. That's how you watch that. That's how you monitor that. And that's essentially what I did. I didn't do that with every single one of these trades. After I saw how it was doing, I did take a Microsoft and did take the Meta for myself today for the day trade. But right now, as I see these trades filter in, as I see these screener options filter in, I'm taking these for myself. I'm doing these for myself. And once again, I'm really optimistic about it and hopeful for it. And yeah, really just wanted to share this with you. So if you found this video to be helpful or learn anything, be sure to smash the like button. If you're interested in trying out Derive, I'll have the link down below in the description, or just type it in yourself. Go to deriveai.co/Matthew and utilize your free trial. And if for some reason you made this far and haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content. And last but certainly not least, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Hey, look what my wife got me. Hey, little weird hearing that, but hey, it's cool. Peace out.